All right, guys, I have the new Fosi Z stack up. It is right here. We have the Fosi ZP3 for the preamp, the ZD3 for the DAC, and the ZA3 for the amplifier. And here's the remote so we can control. It's kind of cool because they have the separate ZD3, ZP3, and P4. And then they have this BT20, which I actually have one of those. So you can control them all separately, but yeah, pretty neat. So this is a temporary thing. I'm going to put it in permanently. So I had the Adcom, and I've even tried these IEMAs, which they're all good, but I'm really liking this stack up right here. So let's listen. All right, guys, whenever I play music, my YouTube app stops the music. So you're gonna have to wait for the full review that's coming out very soon. This is pretty cool stuff. Like the looks of it. And there's XLR inputs and outputs as well as RCA. Right now I have the RCA because I didn't have enough XLRs, but I'm gonna get XLRs just to try that. And that ought to be fun. So yeah, I've tried it in the Clips 600 and I tried it in my big floor standing. And I like the floor standing much better. A lot of bass, and yeah, sounds great. All right, guys, Fosi has a Black Friday sale, so use the links down below. Appreciate that, and we'll see you on the long format video. Hey, one thing I wanted to mention on this is I'm using the 12-volt wire unit they give you. So this wire here. So what happens is when I turn on the preamp, it turns on this, and this guy turns on that, the amp. So when I turn them off, same thing. I can use a remote just to control this guy, and the 12-volt signal to these two guys turn off everything. So that makes it really simple to turn on and off. And this guy has a memory, by the way, for audio. So, oh, actually this one. So depending on where you are, if you're playing on one of these and you have a different audio setup, it'll remember that when you go back to that one. So yeah, they've been really smart in how they set this up.